So it has been a hot minute since I filmed, and I'm gonna be honest. I've actually filmed this already a little bit differently. I filmed two videos the other day and hated them. 100% hated them. So awkward, bad angles, blabbermouth, off topic. So I figured maybe if I did a get ready with me chit chat type of thing, it might keep my brain kind of occupied and therefore I wouldn't babble so much. So that's what I'm gonna do. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me. I know I look all types of just fantastic, right? But I've literally not done anything other than eat breakfast. So yeah, we're gonna get ready and we're gonna chit chat, and I'm gonna fill you guys in on my plans for this channel. So if you're new, if this is the first video you've seen of me, we're moving forward differently than my other videos. I'm actually still considering deleting those videos and starting all over, just because it's been about, I filmed a video last year talking about getting engaged, blah blah blah, and then didn't film again. And before that I hadn't filmed for a year. So it's been basically 2 years since I filmed anything of substance. I'm just a different person, so I'm considering just starting from scratch. But anyway, we are going to put on some makeup and we are going to chit chat about life and things and YouTube and all of that jazz. So let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, this is the first time I have ever filmed with my natural hair. I also just did a henna treatment this past weekend, hence the new status of redhead. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this. It's a bit crazy on its own without any type of adult supervision. They kind of just do what they want, and I let them, because I've been trying to embrace the natural me. That's been kind of my motto the last year. So I actually don't put on makeup very often, and when I do, it's pretty minimal. Today's very minimal. I'm gonna title this probably like a gym makeup thing, because I am going to the gym, therefore I'm putting on specific makeups that will last through a gym session. Luckily I have the perfect like gym recipe for makeup. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this hair up and we're gonna get started, because I cannot do my makeup with my hair like this. Can't do it.
Minutes later.
So now that my hair is tamed, in a sense, I'm going to get started, okay? I have not moisturized yet, so that's kind of important. So we are going to start off with the Farsali Unicorn, oh god, Essence, this thing like right here. I love this stuff. Same thing, I got this right before my wedding. I absolutely adore it. I'm going to use the Tatcha, what is this technically called? The Tatcha Silk Canvas. This is literally my favorite primer now. I know it's pricey, but honestly guys, you get this whole jar, right, of product, and you get this little tool so you don't use more than you need to. This is exactly how much you use each time, and I feel like it's kind of a lot, so I usually try to get less. But there's a little line on this tool that you can see right there, and you just scrape up to that line, and this shit has lasted me so long. And I was using this religiously when I first got it, because I loved it so much. I think Tatcha is a great skincare company, and I was so excited for their first branching out into kind of mixing skincare with makeup. You guys know, if you know me or you follow me anywhere, you know that skincare plus makeup is just my favorite. But anyway, so thoughts. I need thoughts to kind of make sense to talk about this. So I've been on YouTube for basically 2 years. I haven't been on here since, aside from that one video talking about my engagement, since I did my breast reduction. And honestly, I mentioned this in my last video, the one that I filmed in between those 2 years, that it was because the beauty community was getting a little crazy, and I'm too grown for that shit, okay? I am too, I don't want to say old, because I don't think of myself as old, but mature, okay? I have been through my 20s, and I am just not about drama. I'm not about it. I wasn't about it in high school. I wasn't about it in my 20s. I'm not about it at the end of my 20s. I don't think I will ever be about drama. I don't know and or understand people who are, but that's not me. So I stopped doing YouTube because I didn't like the atmosphere. It was no longer the YouTube that I had signed up for, and so I was like, peace guys, like I'm gone. I got life to deal with. I ain't got time for this. And so yeah, I quit. I was like, screw this. Besides that, I've talked about it before where I had a lot of I don't want to say self-confidence, but I kind of started judging myself a lot more harshly than normal. And I couldn't even edit without judging something on myself. So I was like, you know what? This is terrible for my self-esteem. I'm done. I need to stop. I need to take a break. And that break just kind of grew. And I figured eventually I'd come back. And since I'm not here for subscribers, I'm not here for money. I'm just here to vent to you guys and to talk to you guys and put on makeup and talk about whatever I want to talk about. Honestly, you know, we can call this a beauty channel, but honestly, it's lifestyle, it's life in general, it's kind of a little bit of everything. So it can be whatever it wants. But now that I'm back, I'm kind of considering just wiping the entire channel of all my past videos because I'm still on the fence about it, but mostly because I was a different person 2 years ago. You know, when I first started YouTube, I was a completely different person. My skill set was completely different. And then I went away for 2 years. So unlike other YouTubers where you can follow along from the beginning to end and you can see how they've changed, mine kind of, I'm one person, then I'm gone for a year, I come back, I'm a little different, and I'm gone for another year, and then I come back and I don't know if I'm different. I don't know. So I'm still on the fence about it. If you guys think I should or shouldn't, let me know because I need some opinions because I'm still kind of debating. But yeah, and then the funny thing was I started deciding to come back and do YouTube videos, and lo and behold, more drama happens, and I was just kind of like, you know what, there's always gonna be drama, right? If I keep using drama as the excuse as to why I don't want to do YouTube, then I'll never do YouTube because people are on YouTube and people are dramatic. So I was like, fuck it, I'm doing a channel anyway, and we're gonna have a real channel, okay? We're gonna have a real community of people here where we are honest but kind. This is the thing that I've been noticing on YouTube lately. People are honest. They think they're honest, but really they're being assholes. Okay, there's a way to be honest and polite, and there's a way to be honest and a jerk. And I'm not about being a jerk, okay? I like nice people. I like honesty. I like honest people. I like nice, kind, good-hearted, loyal, honest people. So that's what I want my subscribers to be, okay? Don't bother following me if you're a jackass or if you don't know how to properly express yourself without being an asshole, okay? If you don't know how to give constructive criticism, which, clue you guys in on a secret here, it's called constructive criticism because it's polite criticism. Instead of being like, you fucking suck, it's, it's great and all, but maybe you could do this and improve. It's being polite. I don't know when people forgot about that, but we're not going to forget about that here. Okay, we are going to take after one of my favorite YouTubers, which is Tati Westbrook, and we are going to be kind to one another because I think we need it. I think we all need it. I need people to be kind to me. I want to be kind to people, and I want you guys to be kind to each other. And so let's just do it and ignore all the other things. Like a lot of channels, they'll be like, oh, well, I just ignore the hate comments or I just delete them. I'm not going to ignore your hate comments. I am going to delete them. I will block you. I will get rid of you somehow. But I want to create a safe haven. This channel will be a safe haven. And in the safe haven, there are rules. And the rule is you have to be kind, you have to be honest, and you have to be supportive. Even if you don't like what someone's doing, if you like the person, you should support them, okay? I know that doesn't apply to all circumstances. Obviously, there are some things where, like, if your best friend wants to kill someone, obviously you should probably not support that. However, in this community, I think you should support each other, and I think you should be like, hey, I got your back, and we don't want, mean people here, and you should protect those people. Not rudely, protect them with kindness, okay? But anyway, now I'm distracted and I'm not putting on makeup. So we're gonna go straight in with the Double Wear Light Stay in Place Makeup by Estee Lauder, and this is in Intensity 1. That's what I'm aiming to do with my channel. I hope you guys are on board. If you're not, like I said, you are more than welcome to click close on this video and go elsewhere. We're just blending here. I haven't worn such a full face or any type of makeup beyond like mascara maybe or eyebrow gel in so long. So this is going to be a really light application. I know some people are going to be like, you literally didn't change. I'm doing natural gym look, okay? I'm not trying to go in the gym looking all glam because, not because I think you shouldn't. I'm not judging anyone for this by any means, but I'm military. I work out on base with other military, mostly men, and then dependents. If I wear a full face, I'm not saying this is true about all military men. There are civilian men that I know do the same thing. But if I wear a full face, for some reason, it apparently makes my bitch face more approachable. Not sure why, but men feel like they can brave the bitch face all of a sudden because of makeup, and they come and talk to me with headphones in, with a hat on, wear all black. I'm like a ninja, like an angry ninja in the gym. And these people have literally interrupted me mid-set, like mid-movement. I've had people come up and, you know, to be fair, they were complimenting my shirt. He complimented my t-shirt, and I was like, yeah, thanks, and went back to my workout. And then he was like, oh, well, where'd you get it? I'm like, I don't fucking know. It was a gift. Go away. Stop talking to me. Like, what is wrong with you? So I learned my lesson. I do not wear makeup usually to the gym, but like today, I'm just gonna, I guess, pull my hat down lower and hope that there's no creepers in there today. Because that doesn't happen very often. But it does enough to where it bothers me. It could happen once and bother me and I'm done. You can still see my skin through this. This is not by any means even makeup really, honestly, let's be honest. This is kind of a light. This is natural. You don't need a whole lot. I love this foundation for that reason. And then I'll just go back up, and I think a lot of things, you know, with the whole YouTube community going the way it is, I feel like there's not a lot of basic teachers anymore. There's not a whole lot of people. They kind of assume people are at a certain level of skill set, and they forget that there are new people watching YouTube all the time, people who don't know what they're doing, people who are trying to learn. Even the best of us can still learn something. We don't all know everything. There's no makeup artist on the planet who knows every trick and everything. Not unless they've been in for, you know, fucking ever doing makeup. This is the Lauder Mercier Candleglow Sheer Perfecting Powder. I fell in love with this stuff on my honeymoon. I got it for the wedding, and I have their foundation as well, the Candleglow Soft Luminous Foundation. Beast mode. It is beast mode. Honestly, that's my favorite foundation now, and if I did need my foundation to last through a workout, then I'd be using that. But this stuff will make you glow, and it kind of just softly corrects, kind of like a really soft filter, honestly. And you just see the luminousness of it. I probably need some bronzer because I'm a little pale. My face already feels weird. As soon as I put that powder on, like I could feel that there's something on my face, and I'm just so not used to it. The reason I stopped doing makeup wasn't even because, like, you know, I hate makeup or anything like that. Like, I still very much love makeup. It was just that this is obviously my Tarte Amazonian Amazon Bronze bronzing powder. You guys know this is my go-to. I don't use anything else for bronzing. I've tried a couple things, and this, I always come back to this. Also waterproof, so goes with our gym goal here. But I stopped wearing makeup just because it was convenient, honestly. I didn't have to do anything to my face. And also, like I said, I quit YouTube because I started really judging myself and doing my stopped doing my makeup and just kind of embracing my curls. I embrace my curls. I haven't straightened my hair in I don't know how long. I tried the other day. I straightened probably like this much of it. Hated it. I hate straight hair on myself now. When I went years trying to tame my curls and make them straight, and it's kind of, you know, it's a little ironic at this point. But I'm finally embracing my curls. I love my curls. I love the wildness of them. But I stopped wearing makeup because I just really wanted to embrace myself. And the only way to do that was to kind of shove myself in myself's face, if that makes sense. That might sound really confusing. So I stopped wearing makeup, and I was like, you can start wearing makeup. I kind of did tough love on myself. I was like, you can start wearing makeup again when you genuinely love yourself. When you genuinely like what you see with no makeup on, then you can wear makeup. Then you can improve upon it or have fun or, you know, whatever, do whatever. As long as you always remember that you prefer yourself 100% natural. As long as I remember that, makeup doesn't really bother me. Makeup now is just kind of like a fun illusion. And honestly now I don't even really like it. I love makeup. I just don't like the feeling of wearing it. Like right now my face feels kind of stiff, and you guys saw how much makeup I put on, like nothing. So it's kind of a weird thing to get used to, but whatever, it's fun. The whole point of my babbling is that I feel like people should love yourself first and foremost, and makeup should just be fun. It shouldn't be something that patches up the holes in your soul. If you need it to, okay, like that's your choice, that's your life. I'm not telling you any differently, but having been through something like that, I think it worked much more better. Like giving up social media for a while, best fucking decision I ever made. I'm trying to focus, but I'm so distracted, and I've honestly not put makeup on in so long that I'm kind of, it took me a while to figure out what went first. I don't know what I want to do with this channel, honestly guys. I am at a crossroads and I am unsure. Ooh, I got eyeballs now. I'm almost done. I just gotta put mascara on, and then that is it, folks. It's pretty simple, right? Pretty natural. I look the same, but slightly more awake and alive. So yeah, so that's it. Very simple. It will last all through my workout. It will look just as fresh at the gym as it does now. So there's that. And if you guys have an opinion on the channel redo, just let me know. And we're gonna try this whole YouTube thing over again. And I'm going to try and create an atmosphere of just love and kindness and support and teaching. I want to teach you guys, and I also want you guys to teach me. You know, it goes both ways. It's a friendship. Most of us who are on YouTube and people who start channels, we all do it because we want to connect with people. We want to connect with a community who likes the same things we like and doesn't think we're weird because of it. So that's what I'm trying to do. And I want to do honest reviews. I want to tell you what products I like, what I don't like, why I don't like them, brands I like, brands I don't like, and just be honest. I feel like there's so much in the world that people lie about, and it's dumb, juvenile shit that doesn't need to be lied about, you know? Like, sometimes honesty sucks. I get it. I don't always like being honest. It sucks for me too. Having to tell someone something that you know is going to hurt them in some way, whether or not you mean it hurtfully, or you're just trying to protect them, or you're just trying to help them. I don't like hurting people, so that's really complicated to try and hold on to my honesty and also still be a friend, because I care about my friends, so I'm a little bit more brutally honest with them. But it's because I love them and I want them to succeed, and you can't succeed if you're lying to yourself and or others. So we're gonna try and create a community like that, and get back to OG YouTube and the old YouTube where everyone was, you know, friendly. They didn't care about the subscriber count, and they didn't care if they got money from it. They just did it because they love it. And so that's what I'm doing. I like doing this shit. I think it's fun, and it may slightly seem weird. Everyone at work who found out about my videos thinks it's weird. It's cool, I get it, you know, you're not into it, but I'm not into fantasy fucking football either, so there's that, you know? But yeah, so just let me guys, oh my god, let me know your opinions on the channel, if you like what I'm thinking about doing. If you don't, why not? Yeah, let me know. I need to know. Give me your opinions. And yeah, hopefully this video goes up. Hopefully I like the footage. And I will see you guys in my next video, whatever that video so happens to be. Alright? Bye guys.